So, good evening, Namaskar. I will just wait for more people join us. I think I really wait for this time. The moment clock hits 6 o'clock. I think it's the most exciting time of the day because I get to meet you, I get to see you, and I get to take your questions at the same time. कुछ ऐसी पर्सनालिटीज को मैं आपके सामने लेकर आती हूँ जो कि अपनी फील्ड में बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, बट कई लोग उन्हें नहीं जानते हैं, कहीं जानते हैं। तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं आप सभी को उनसे रूबरू करा सकूँ, ताकि इन डिस्ट्रेसिंग टाइम्स में हम उनसे मिल सकें, उनसे कुछ इंस्पिरेशन ले सकें, उनसे कुछ सीख सकें और टू अप एक्चुअली अपलिफ्ट द ह्यूमन स्पिरिट. So once again, namaskar and thank you so much. I am sure because I've been getting a lot of responses uh, from the people who watch my streams. They're really happy and I also make sure कि जितने भी लोग आए सभी एक पॉजिटिव वाइब लेकर, पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंस लेकर और कुछ सीख कर जाएं. So once again, thank you so much to all the viewers who are loving it. Keep sharing the streams, keep loving them, and at the same time, keep commenting. Anyone, everyone. I see a lot of people who are online. Guys, if you're online, make sure that you drop a hi, you say hi to us so that it becomes very interactive. All right, beginning with today's show. Cheetah, hi Cheetah Vlogs. I'm assuming that's Rohit. Hi Rohit, thank you so much. You were quite on time. Actually, I was 2-3 minutes late today because of the stupid internet connection. So I had to like switch it off and switch it on again. But nevertheless, बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं. First of all, I would like to congratulate everyone because today is the 30th day wherein we have successfully completed sitting back at our places. Dr. Hari Krishna, Madam, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Asim. Thank you so much, you guys. Keep loving us like this. Yes, today we've successfully completed 30 days of this lockdown, social distancing, no shopping, no junk food, nothing at all. But I think we've just got used to such a lifestyle. If you guys agree with me, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Coming back to today's show, जैसा कि मैंने कहा, मैं हर शो में किसी ना किसी पर्सनालिटी को आप सभी से रूबरू कराने की कोशिश करती हूँ, टू मेक श्योर दैट दीज हिडन जेम्स ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री, whichever industry it is it the entertainment industry or the health industry or the various other industries that we have today, they come in front of you, they share their experience, they bring a positive vibe around, because आज की डेट में all that we need right now is your love, is some happy vibes around, and is some joy. So this is my initiative, completely my initiative, to make sure that people who watch my stream, they just be happy. All right, pray for Corona warriors. Absolutely. I think if I get the opportunity, I'd like to just stand up right now and make some noise, and a big shout out to the people who have been working in various industries, like the police people, like the people in police, like the healthcare industry. Hats off to all of you, and thank you so much, and kudos for doing a good job and a great job. All right, next up, coming back to today's personality, one such personality that I bring in front of each one of you here is कहते हैं जिंदगी जो है एक नाटक है, हम सब उसमें काम करते हैं, जैसे ही पर्दा उठता है, जैसे ही पर्दा गिरता है, हम सभी सलाम करते हैं. एक ऐसी पर्सनालिटी को मैं आप सभी से रूबरू कराना चाहती हूँ, जिन्होंने अपनी फील्ड में बहुत मेहनत करी है और आज भी मेहनत कर रहे हैं. So, ladies and gentlemen, please, wherever you are, put your hands together as I present in front of each one of you Sahil Sethi, all the way from Mumbai. Hi, Sahil.
Manvi, hi. How are you?
Good, Sahil. How are you? I'm absolutely
I'm
great.
good.
First of all, thank you so much, Sahil. आप यहाँ पर आए. I am sure इस एपिसोड के माध्यम से आपके बहुत सारे फैंस भी आने वाले हैं यहाँ पर, and together we're going to make a difference in their lives. तो सबसे पहले आज का दिन आपका कैसा जा रहा है साहिल?
यार एज यूजुअल फ्रॉम लास्ट 25 days. अभी तो दिन रात कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. अभी everything is have become very monotonous.
I know everything is
So,
become monotonous, but you
but
being
yes, but
yes,
being a creative person, trying to cultivate some creativity in my life, in my day-to-day life. So this is
fantastic.
how I'm coping up in these 25 days of lockdown.
फैंटास्टिक फैंटास्टिक आई एम श्योर आप एक एक दिन को अच्छे से यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं और बिकॉज यू आर ऑल्सो वर्किंग ऑन योर क्राफ्ट वेल देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट आई लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट साहिल लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन he started his career with Kingdom of Dreams Zangura. I am sure everyone who comes to Delhi, Gurgaon, they make sure that they go to Kingdom of Dreams and pay a visit to both these shows, Zangura and Jhumru. So he started his career with that, and he had done some amazing performances there. His character was just mind blowing. He is also a passer from Sri Ram College, Sri Ram Center, and बहुत सारे actors, famous actors वहाँ से pass out हुए हैं जैसे राजकुमार राव, जतिन सरना जिन्हें कि आप सीक्रेट गेम्स के थ्रू जिन्होंने बहुत सारा फेम गेन करा है, कॉल्ड बंटी, और भी बहुत सारे जैसे कि शेखर सुमन, मुकेश छाबड़ा जो कि बहुत फेमस कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर है, यहाँ से पास आउट हुए हैं. तो बहुत ही मतलब बड़ी पर्सनालिटी हमारे सामने है. आपने टीवी पर भी डेब्यू किया था जिंदगी की महक के साथ जिसमें आप नेगेटिव लीड में थे, और तो ये आपका जो
मेरी
यस साहिल
yeah, मेरी शक्ल ही कुछ ऐसी है. Usually they prefer me in a negative character. So,
बट
but
हमें
acha, I didn't started from Kingdom of Dreams. I started my theater journey in 2008. Kingdom of Dreams I joined like around I think I joined in 2015,
ग्रेट.
and then I left in 2016 or 17.
Okay, so you spent a small duration there. How was your experience working with Zangura? It's a very
Is that
interactive show. It's a musical show, and a lot of a lot of people come whenever they come to Delhi. They make sure that they go there. So, how was your experience, Sahil?
see, being a hardcore theater actor, theater artist, Zangura is it's definite. There is a lot to learn for an actor, but it's a lot about glamour also. So it was good. It was a good experience. I learned the other side of the technical aspect of the creativity. So it was a good experience for those 3 years. And one thing that actor really fights with himself in Zangura while working as an actor. See, we have to continuing doing the same shows over and over again
Right,
for like 4 days a week or 5 days a week. The same show we are doing, same characters, same lines, everything. So we have to keep that oomph, that impulse of being
right,
truthful again and again alive. So that is the
right,
biggest challenge of an actor, of an artist.
right.
But it was good. It was good. There's a lot of technical. It's surrounded by a lot of technicality. The whole show. So actor who is who wants to show his creativity, who wants to uh, just flow with his creativity in that technical arena is really at times challenging and also learning for sure.
Fantastic. I'm sure you've learned a lot also, to get that factor every day, to bring a newness in every day, because when you do monotonous shows, तो monotony break करने के लिए कुछ चाहिए होता है. Okay, coming back to, you've been shining on stage with, your magical performances in theater. उससे पहले यहाँ पे कुछ, there are a few comments. So let's just go through these comments also. So let's see what people are saying. Ujwal says, waiting for you, Sahil Dada. He's already here. Then we have Ujwal is
Hi,
here.
hi, Ujjwal.
I think he's your big fan because he's been waiting for you to come here.
Yeah,
Basu says,
he was working with me. Really
oh,
good,
great.
dedicated boy.
Then, then she says, hi, dear. She's also been a big fan of you. Cheeta says, Sahil bhai, abhi to Sunday की छुट्टी मनाए बहुत time हो गया है. Would you like to say anything to that?
संडे की छुट्टी कहाँ पे, मतलब बॉम्बे में या दिल्ली में?
Both.
So
पूरे world में I think अब तो.
So yes, lockdown के बाद definitely. I think every day is a Sunday now. तो आप जितना ये इतना आप संडे बना लोगे कि आपको लॉकडाउन के बाद संडे से एलर्जी होने लगेगी.
Actually.
So enjoy these Sundays.
Okay, I think another friend of yours, a fan of yours, has joined in. Farhan Samad Sahil Baba. I think ये
Oh,
कुछ मंडी हाउस का ट्रेंड है क्या? साहिल दादा, साहिल बाबा.
देखो ये दादा शब्द जो है ये इट्स मतलब ये बहुत प्रथा है. इट्स अ रिचुअल इन थिएटर. सो दादा
Okay.
का मतलब होता है आप किसी को दादा इज नॉट इन दैट उस सेंस बने कि योर ग्रैंडफादर और समथिंग. दादा का
Right.
मतलब होता है somebody who you know look up to, your like your big
Okay.
brother, whom you respect, whom you want to work with us. It's a symbolic of respect that we use in this word dada.
Okay, so Sahil Dada, thank you for joining us and being here with me at Sang Downer with Manvi. So Tanveer says two big stars together. Thank you so much, Tanveer. We have another one on the screen. Kunal Aditya.
Kunal. Kunal is a very good friend of mine. He's also my batchmate from Shriram Center.
Okay, so Karan is also here. He also says hello, Dada. I think as we take this session ahead,
The
आपको
Dadaism is overpowering this interview. But that's okay.
but okay, moving on to your journey. So, साहिल ऐसे बहुत से आई एम श्योर आपकी लाइफ में भी ऐसे बहुत से बहुत सारे मोमेंट्स आते हैं जब हम वी सी दोज अप्स आल्सो एंड देन वी सी दोज डाउन्स आल्सो. और
Yeah.
क्योंकि आपने ऐसा कोई एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट जो कि आपको लगा हो कि नहीं यार अब मेरे को गिव अप कर देना चाहिए, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, और सम इंसिडेंट दैट एक्चुअली gave a 360 turn to your career. ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट अगर साहिल आप हमारे साथ शेयर करना चाहे तो.
See, ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंस तो नहीं हुआ कि 360 करियर एकदम टर्न हो जाए and then I plan to totally opt out. But yes, there have been moments. There have been very depressive, very low moments when when there was a question to self that have I made a right choice to come into this field and to opt to act and to generate a career out of acting. So this
Right.
has been not this has been a lot of times.
Okay,
So
so
yeah.
you switched from theater to Zindagi Ki Mehak. Zindagi Ki Mehak was quite a popular show. You were there in the
Yeah.
part 2, season 2 actually. So it gained
I
a
was
lot.
there in season 2.
Yes,
Yeah.
so it gained a lot of popularity over the years, and a lot of fans you made that time. तो फिर मतलब आपको पर्सनली क्या बेटर लगा? एक होता है, एक लाइफ होती है थिएटर वाली लाइफ जिसमें यू जस्ट ऑन स्टेज एंड देयर इज नो retakes which are happening, and one is the acting life which is which is on screen, and there are so many retakes which keeps on happening. So which is your favorite thing? Is it acting on screen or is it acting on stage?
See, this is the question. It's always asked to like a lot of actors. But yes, see, I have plenty of experience on stage, comparatively less experience on camera. But what I felt, the kind of process that I follow, the kind of craft that I try to work on, is usually if I am, if I feel that I have given 100% in that particular moment, or in that particular scene, in that situation, whatever I'm performing, and if that really makes me feel that something has happened inside, so I get satisfaction, a lot of satisfaction in that. So be it on camera or on stage, I'm totally, I'm fine with it. So yes, the only benefit of being on stage is or on camera is that you get a lot of chance to do a lot of retakes. Not a lot of. अगर
But
वो
yes.
दोस्त है तो ठीक है, वरना yes, you get the chance to you get a lot of chances to to recreate that scene if you have gone wrong. But yes, on stage uh, on stage एक बहुत ही spiritual, it's a very spiritual at times
Connection?
oomph or connection you get. It's a
Right,
very
right, right.
spiritual high you get. But I'm sure I've worked. I worked in 2 films that both of them are in post production. I've played the central character in the films. So whenever I felt that today I I executed the scene the way I wanted, the way I was imagining the scene in my mind. I then also I get that spiritual oomph, that spiritual high. So I think it's all about craft. It's all about that the essence of the happiness and the complete satisfaction that you get whenever you are executing or on stage or on camera.
Great, Sahil. Thank you so much. Okay, another thing that I'd like to ask here is, आपने इतने सारे, आपने on stage plays करे हैं. आपका personal favorite character कौन सा रहा है? Which one has been, close to your heart? Okay, this is something that I can do the best. This is my character.
Okay, I'll tell you, there are 2 characters which are not as popular as my other characters. Uh, there was one character. I was doing a play, Devdas, based on a
Okay.
novel, a famous novel,
Is
and
it somehow
I think
related
it's
to
a.
the... Okay, yes.
Sorry,
Nothing,
is it
nothing,
what?
nothing.
Yeah. So I was doing this play. So I planned, because in real life I don't have any comparisons. Uh, if I read the character Devdas, so I don't feel there is any compatibility or relevance to that character. So what I felt that I need to prepare for this character. So I did a lot of things. I was living somewhere else. I changed my whole lifestyle for 20-25 days, etc., etc. So although the performance was super failed, I failed in that performance. It was a failed
Okay.
performance on stage, and the production also didn't do well for the audience. But the whole process of that really it was really close to me, because I was there. I was too much into the process. Although I was not able to execute it 100%, it didn't come out well. But yes, I was that character, or the preparation of that character is really close to me. Another character I did was there's a play called Pagla Ghoda, or
Okay.
my Guru Krishnakant. Yeah, my Guru Krishnakant ji, he was directing this play,
Okay.
and my juniors were also working with me as
Okay.
a co-actor.
Okay.
So this character is again very close to my heart. I inside I felt that I was able to relate to that aloneness or loneliness of that character, and I felt it became really close to my heart. Although I'm famous for all the mythological characters that I've played on
Yes.
stage, one of
In
them
fact, I
is
think you've
Kans.
made a lot of fans.
Yeah, one of them is Katha. From the play Kathai Kans, I played the character Kans, the famous Mama Kans from the mythology, Mahabharat. And another character I played Duryodhan. Duryodhan
Okay.
was much a bigger hit
Okay.
on stage. So these are my famous characters. So, but yes, the characters which are actually deep down close to my heart, I've told you, these are not so famous characters in theater that I played.
But if it is unfair कि अगर मैं इतने talented, इतने versatile actor को एक monologue के लिए नहीं बोलूँ, I think this show will be incomplete without that. So one dialogue, one
देखो
monologue, which is your favorite, and I know you cannot say no to that.
यार मोनोलॉग मतलब there's a lot of preparation, focus, concentration. But
That's
yes,
all
I'll
right.
if you say so, मैं दुर्योधन प्ले जो है उस कैरेक्टर की कुछ एक दो लाइंस है, मैं वो I'll try. Uh, there's a lot of confrontation going between Krishna and Duryodhan about the rights and uh, the share that Pandavas should get. Uh, so while saying to Krishna, Duryodhan says that कि तुम क्या हो कृष्ण, क्या हो तुम, दूत, मात्र एक दूत जो अपनी वाक पटुता के बल पर समझौते की बात करता है. दुर्योधन के द्वार पर खड़ा होकर अपने प्रियजन पांडवों के लिए 5 गांव का मोल तोल करता है। वो न मिलने पर मुझे युद्ध की खोखली धमकियां देगा। So yes, these were the lines. Yeah.
Thank you so much. I know
So
you got a bit
no,
louder.
don't clap. I was very bad in this.
No, but I've
Yeah.
also seen you so many times live on stage, and I also saw this. In fact, we have somebody here,
By the way,
Prerna.
this is my first time I've ever been live on Facebook. This is the first time. I'm a very shy person. I don't feel that, you know, I'm ready to to come live and to answer a lot of questions. So
There are
this is
two
my first
things.
time.
One is
So
wherein you are
this
shy.
this whole
Yes.
episode, so this is special for me.
Okay, well, I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it because when you see this later on, when you see this, okay, is this the first time that I went live? So it'll actually get a smile on your face, and there's so many fans who
Yeah.
who are writing things about you. Okay, so Ujwal is here. He says exactly आपका Devdas का process that was quite learning experience for me too. We also have Prerna here. She says have seen him performing Chow in Mother is a Mother. Too good. Actually,
There's
it was.
a there's a character Chaudhary. There's a play that I also direct and I also do the main protagonist in it. So whose name is Surendra Singh Chaudhary. That's his full name. So उसमें एक girlfriend है and वो बहुत प्यार से उस character को चौ चौ करके बुलाती है. So that's
Oh,
why she wrote.
oh, that's why
Yeah,
she
that's
wrote
why.
that.
Yeah, Chau.
Okay. So we also have Chavi here. She says, "Good to see you, sir." I think she's also another list. She's
Yeah,
on another
Chavi.
list.
I teach voice and speech in one of the acting institute. So she's my student there.
Oh my God. You are a teacher also. That is also another talent that you have.
Uh, no, whenever I feel like it's very on and off. I'm not too uh, to I at times feel that I need to fill my basket first to to go and teach out there. So I'm still I'm learning myself. So whenever I get a chance and whenever I feel like that, okay, this is this is something that I can teach for some time. So I go for it.
Swati is also here. She says hi. And then we have Pranav. Says it'll be a pleasure if we both share a platform after the lockdown on a beautiful upcoming play, Meera, Krishna ki Meera. Manvi, please connect me with him for this, and it'll be a pleasure to enjoy the life of the camera. Definitely, Sahil. I'm going to
Yeah,
connect both of you, and then you can like just
sure,
take
sure.
this.
Why not? Sounds good. Why not?
You can just
Sure.
take this ahead. Also, Sahil, please tell us. There's so many hidden talents that you have also just told us that you also teach. Or ek aur, you are also one of the founding members in one of the very successful and famous running theatre societies in Delhi and Mumbai called the Prism Theatres. Prism Theatre
Yes.
Society. You started it with Jatin Sarna, who is famous by Bunty in Sacred Games, and Mr. Vikas Bahari. So,
Okay.
how has that experience and journey
Uh,
been?
it was I think it was one of the best uh, bonding that we three created professionally. First of all, so Vikas, it was Vikas' idea that he wanted to open a theater group, and we did a play called uh, Ajnabi.
Okay,
And me and Jatin used to act in that play. Jatin was the main protagonist. I was playing the supporting character, and Vikas wrote and directed. It's based on a one of the Albert Camus novel, El
okay,
Stranger, very famous
okay,
novel. So after
okay.
that play, Vikas decided that why don't we, we all start a theater group. So yes, initially on the very initial level, we three were the one who decided the name and we started the theater group. And usually Vikas and Jatin direct under Prism. I also at times have direct one play and one short story of Satyajit Ray that I directed under Prism Theatre Society. But whatever plays I act in, most of them are from Prism only.
Okay, that's absolutely another great thing to know about you. Sahil, as a matter of fact, we also know that you are very good in singing.
No, no, no. Who said? No, no, no. Please, please.
It's one
I'm
of the
one of the.
hidden
I am one of the
talents.
worstest singer. No, 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 no. Who? You have a wrong information.
Is it? Is it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I, of
But
course,
then,
if I, if it's a task to sing on stage or whatever film, then I can try. I'm in rhythm, but I've never considered myself as a singer. I'm not good. I'm good at.
okay, I think Sahil is just getting offended with me. No, Kunal. Kunal, okay, let me just, because I'm so engrossed in the conversation, let me just go up and see you see your comments. There's so many comments that has been coming all this while. Let me just go through yours. Okay, Kunal, this one's for you. He's a very good method actor. I've worked with him, and it's always a challenge to have him as a co-actor, as he's someone else on stage entirely different as a human being.
Big words. Big words.
Kunal, I hope that makes you happy. Is it so? You're a different
Um,
person like this, and you're a different person on stage.
no, 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 I just try. See, every actor tries to be, tries to be as truthful to the script, to the concept, to the character. I just try. So I don't feel that I'm this much of a caliber right now till today that I become totally different person. That's his love for me. Maybe that's his respect for me, and I really respect that. I
Sahil
with
Dada.
my with my close hands, I really respect what he just said. But yes, I'm on a very learning. I'm still learning. So whenever I feel that yes, I have achieved those tools of actings or created or nourished those tools of acting that I totally become different person, then I think I'll win a national award. Simple. I'll
Sahil,
definitely win a national award.
of course you will, and we'll keep our fingers crossed, and we'll also pray at the same time that you achieve whatever you deserve in life, and you inspire so many people, and you keep inspiring so many of them. So, Sahil, people look up to you as an actor who has been working on his craft. Would you like
Yeah,
to just talk about it a bit?
about the craft.
Yes, why not?
Uh, See, craft. Every actor has their own craft, and whatever works for them for the character, that becomes a craft. Okay, but yes, the craft, all these words, method, it came from America. Lee Strasberg introduced the word method. Stanislavski introduced uh, the realistic acting, everything. But then all the actors, even if they are following a very common thought of acting for that sake, method acting. So still, even while following the same method which every actor is following, still they create their own craft in it. Still they have their
Right.
own do's and don'ts in that process. So yes, see, my craft is my basic craft is that I try to find the truth in the text, in the psychology of the character. Psychology of character is very, very important for me. And for that, if I have to start living his life, whatever life he's living, whatever life is mentioned in the script or whatever information we are having. So if that's what it is needed to to execute his psychology, I'll go for that. So, and I try to use a lot of emotional memory, my own experiences in my acting. So it is very much relevant. Like people who know me, while seeing my while watching my performance, they can say, "अबे ये तो इसने तो अबे ये तो उस दिन ये ऐसे react कर रहा था. He was
Okay.
crying like this or he was shouting like this." So yes, so I I I take a lot of things from my life and the life itself. Like see, life is a biggest craft, so life teaches
Of course.
a lot of
Of
things.
course.
But yes, working on craft is simply like you work. There are a lot of body movement exercises. There are a lot of exercises which you work on your emotions. There are a lot of emotions. नौ रसा होते हैं, उन रसा में भी बहुत सब रसास होते हैं, इमोशंस के भी बहुत सब इमोशंस होते हैं. So that's what the craft is all about. You keep on enhancing those emotions. If suddenly I'm stuck somewhere in a situation on set or on stage that I have to cry, and I was really happy uh, in the backstage, or I was really laughing. I was laughing before the take, and suddenly I have to cry, and there is no
I
time left.
know.
So these tools, so then these tools are very useful. Whatever you have worked on your craft, you suddenly cultivate a thought, try to motivate yourself that uh, you give yourself a reason to cry or whatever the given situation is. So yes,
But hats
you
off
have to
to you.
do.
But hats off to
It's
you. The
nothing.
moment you go on stage, you take that character and you do a completely phenomenal job. Okay, Ginny here says कोई दूसरे play का नाम भी ले लो. Because और भी बहुत play हुए हैं. We know Ginny, as a matter of fact, there's a huge list of plays that Sahil has
Guinea is my
participated.
Guinea is my my brother, my very lovely, my very close brother. Also,
Brother ka brother Papa.
he himself is a very good actor, and he's right now he's very much active in Prism. He's doing a lot of. I'm in
Yeah.
Bombay, but in Delhi he's doing a lot of plays. He's directing under Prism.
That's it.
Yeah.
So Chavi is also here. Ujjwal, I'll read. Okay, Vidya, she says one song, please. Ujjwal, he's best in Bhangra too. We also have Chavi. She says, "Sir, please one song. You've taught us some amazing things for voice modulation, so you can sing maybe two lines any of your favorite song." And I'll also say the same thing.
यार ये
One song, any one song, any one song.
okay. Uh, I'll sing one song. It's very easy because it's in the same tempo.
That's all
It's
right. We'll
easy.
be more than happy to hear that from you.
I'll try. Please, and pardon me if I sing really bad. Please forgive me.
We are sure you will do a great job.
क्यों आजकल नींद कम ख्वाब ज्यादा है लगता खुदा का कोई नेक इरादा है कल था फकीर आज दिल शहजादा है लगता खुदा का कोई नेक इरादा है क्या मुझे प्यार है या कैसा खुमार है या क्या मुझे प्यार थैंक यू
Ooh, that was
फॉर
so good.
दिस
That was so good. Okay, personal question. क्या actually में आपको प्यार है?
यार तो देखो लाइफ में from the age of 16 I've been into serious relationships, and yes, if you talk right now currently, so yes, I'm in love definitely, and
Oh, okay.
I love
हम इससे ज्यादा
that.
आगे नहीं जाएंगे. For now, we'll just take it like yes, आपको प्यार है, आपकी जिंदगी से प्यार है और जो आपकी लाइफ में लोग हैं, आपको उनसे प्यार है. So Sahil, where do
Right.
you see yourself down the line? You've been in Mumbai now, and so where do you see yourself? Like maybe in the next 2 years or 3 years or four years or 5 years down the line.
See, plans तो बहुत हैं, बहुत सारे हैं, 13 साल से हैं, big plans हैं, big goals हैं, but yes, उसका जो the crux of it, that I'll tell you on a larger picture, what
Okay.
I imagine. I really want to take my method, my craft, whatever I've been working on, whatever I know, the information, I want to take forward it, and I want maximum people of the country or on a national level. I want them to know that yes, I I do have the uh, I do have the capacity capability to to execute something really meaningful. So of course, for that, I need to be on camera. I need to be in films and in a very meaningful role.
Right.
So I'm in search of roles which in which through which I can justify uh, whatever my whatever I've worked upon as an actor.
You're great. We will definitely wish you all the very best for whatever you want to achieve in life, and we will definitely look forward to see you, in your favorite roles, whatever you desire to be. One
Thank you.
favorite Bollywood actor.
One favorite
Yes, Bollywood actor. Who
current
you look up to?
like recently or
Yes,
like from
maybe. Maybe anyone, maybe currently or maybe जो आप बहुत time से, okay,
Can
I'm
I
gonna
can,
be,
can I can I say it too?
yeah, sure.
Because actually there are a lot of favorite actors, but yes, I'll say first is definitely Nasir Saab, definitely
Naseeruddin
all
Shah,
time favorite. But yes,
yeah,
because he changed the whole scenario of acting in Indian industry.
acting and theater, right. Completely agreed.
Of course, Irfan, that who carry forward the legacy of Nasir Saab, and
Right.
he executed a lot of meaningful performances. And in current times, in recent times, I am really inspired by Ranveer Singh. Of
He's
course,
amazing.
for the performances he do, but whatever hard work he does, for the character, I that really inspires me. People who really work hard for the character. It's okay if they fail, or if they are not able to execute it 100%, but still these kind of people, these kind of actors really attract me. Who do take risk, who change their whole lifestyle to understand the psychology of the character. So Ranveer is really, I really like him as an actor.
Right, great. So, Sahil, because this video is going to reach a large number of audiences even after, because right now we are live, but
Yeah.
the moment we broadcast and we spread it amongst everyone, one thing that we'd like to, bring through everyone through this video,
Sorry, one thing, what?
I think you have dogs around. I
Yeah,
can
yeah.
hear.
Lot of
Okay.
dogs.
Yes, I know. Okay. So I'm saying any one thing that you'd like to just maybe, one thing that you'd like to bring across the audiences who are going to watch this video. एक ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ है, कोई भी मैसेज, क्योंकि अभी हम सब लॉकडाउन में हैं और सभी पॉजिटिव चीज़ों को देखना चाहते हैं, सुनना चाहते हैं। तो
Oh,
साहिल की कौन-सी ऐसी टिप होगी ताकि जो लोग स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, अपनी लाइफ में स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, आज की डेट में स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए साहिल के पास क्या मैसेज है?
uh, आज भी मैंने फेसबुक पे कुछ पोस्ट किया था कि ओशो की फिलोसफीज को आज के टाइम से रिलेट करते हुए, सी लॉकडाउन में बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जो मेंटली, जिन पे थोड़ा सा प्रेशर होगा, and they must be feeling anxious or whatsoever reason, must be feeling
Right.
anxious, or there are a lot of depressed feelings. So I just want to say कि बस strength बना के, हिम्मत बना के रखिए। और अगर किसी से बात करने के लिए आपको लगता है, if you feel like talking to someone, definitely talk to them, don't hesitate in that, because the 3 महीने for people who were working day and night, who were totally outside, तो पूरा life
Yes.
cycle change हो,
चेंज हो
सबसे
चुका
ज्यादा
है।
there's a lot of effect on mental health. So
राइट,
I'll
राइट,
definitely want people to take care of care of the mental health, and be aware about it. Definitely, and अगर आप उसको एड्रेस कीजिए, दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू एक्चुअली मिनिमाइज इट और टू गेट रिड ऑफ इट। उसको उसी अपने अपने प्रॉब्लम्स को एड्रेस कीजिए, एंड ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन देम, टॉक टू somebody, and try to distract yourself. I know it's hard, but this is the
I know,
only way, I think.
definitely. But thank you so much, Sahil. I think we've had a
Thank
great
you, thanks to you,
conversation.
thank you for bringing me
And
life. Thank you.
you are actually, trust you me, you have actually inspired a lot of people through your performances on stage and off stage. And we wish you all the very best. आप ऐसे ही इंस्पायर करते रहिए लोगों को, ऐसे ही लोगों के दिल में अपने लिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंसेस के थ्रू जगह बनाते रहिए. और definitely you are there for everyone. If anyone needs to talk to somebody, he is always the first person. So
Yeah,
make sure.
please, I'm there, definitely.
Yes,
Whosoever wants to talk anything.
and बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. And we'll
Thank you,
definitely
Manvi. Thank you.
we'll
Thanks.
just pick
Thanks a
out
lot, Baba.
one question here. Hi,
Yeah.
Dada, because I don't want to disappoint anyone here. There were so many questions that I think I've missed in between. But hi, Dada, मेरा सवाल है. Whenever you get a character, what small things you notice to grab the character? Quickly, if you can just sum it up.
स्मॉल थिंग्स, एज यू सेड, कि जब आप सबसे पहले पढ़ते हैं तो सबसे पहले तो एटलीस्ट जो सबसे ज्यादा स्क्रिप्ट में डिटेल्स हैं कैरेक्टर के बारे में, सबसे पहले वो समझने की कोशिश कीजिए, rather than कि उसकी आपने एक अलग अलग वर्ल्ड बना रहे हैं अपने इमेजिनेशन में, अलग उसकी लाइफ बना रहे हैं। जितना भी स्क्रिप्ट में इंफॉर्मेशन है, डायलॉग्स में, थ्रू डायलॉग्स और कहीं पे भी स्मॉल स्मॉल इंफॉर्मेशन उसको आप जितना कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, देयर इज अ लॉट इन द स्क्रिप्ट जो आप एक कैरेक्टर डेवलप कर सकते हैं। ऑफ कोर्स उसके बाद जो जो पूरा whatever network you create for the character, that is totally different.
Superb. I hope Pankaj he answered your question extremely well the way you wanted it to be. So thank you so much. With that, I will just say a big thank you to Sahil. Keep up the good work once again, and keep spreading magic
Thank you, Manvi.
around Monday
Thanks a
House
lot.
and
Thanks a lot
Mumbai.
for calling. Bye bye.
And we'll see you very
Bye
soon
bye.
offline.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Sure. Bye. Take care. Good luck. Bye bye.
Thank you. With this, ladies and gentlemen, this was the second episode of Sundowner with Manvi Khilnani. We've got amazing personalities lined up for you day after tomorrow on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Three of the best talented artists that you have seen on the big screen and you've heard them also on radio. So make sure that you share the stream. Make sure that you like if you actually like, and also I'm available offline if in case you have any questions, or if in case you'd like to see someone on screen, please make sure that you drop me a DM. Thank you so much, because together, as I always say, together we can, together we will evolve as a great community, we will evolve as a strong team together. Thank you so much for joining us here. Thank you.